So let's talk about lead magnets. Now, you may or may not have heard of the term lead magnet before, but essentially a lead magnet is a free or sometimes a really low cost offer with the express mission of getting people onto your email list so you can communicate to them and present an offer and try to sell to them later on. Now, to illustrate, we have our straightforward setup where we have an audience, we present them with an offer, they buy and become our customer. With a lead magnet, we have our audience, we present them with a lead magnet, we get them on our email list, and then from there, they may immediately take us up on our offer, but if not, we now have a way to communicate with them, build more trust, build more rapport, present more offers, and eventually get them to take us up on our offer and to become our customer. So you may be asking, well, why do I need a lead magnet? Now, some types of businesses and industries, you absolutely need to have a lead magnet, and other ones, you may not necessarily need it, but they're always a good idea because anytime you can get somebody on your email list, it makes it a lot more valuable to your marketing campaign. And we're going to get to email marketing a little bit later in this course. Now, when it comes to lead magnets, a lead magnet is for people that are not ready to buy yet. That is why they're so powerful, because just think about if you ran a Facebook ad or Google AdWords and you just paid $3 for somebody to click on your ad, go to your website, they looked at your offer, they looked at your landing page, they were somewhat interested, but you know what? They're at work, they're on their phone, I can't look at it now, maybe I'll look at it later on. If you do not have a lead magnet in place, they leave that website, 95% chance you will never get them again, and you just wasted your $2 or $3 to get that click. If you have a lead magnet in place, you present them with an easy offer, an easy way to start doing business with you, an easy way to kind of get your foot in the door and building a relationship with them. Just an email they have to give up. At the very least, once they leave, you now have a reliable way to get in touch with them again. So like I said, it's usually a free or a low cost interest offer, and it's usually meant to help build your email list so you can get people into your marketing funnel. Now, there's lots of different types of lead magnets you can create. You can have the standard discount. You see this all the time in e-commerce. Go to almost any e-commerce website, you'll immediately get a pop-up and say, hey, get $10 off your first purchase, get 10% off, just enter your email below. That is a lead magnet. They're asking you to give up your email address in exchange for a discount, and the value to them is now they have your email list, so even if you don't buy today, they have an opportunity to present more offers, more communication, more value to you later on. So hopefully at some point you will become a customer of theirs. Okay, you can also offer free info products, free courses. You'll see this a lot with service type businesses. So if you're a mortgage broker, financial planner, a marketer like me, a lot of times our lead magnets are some kind of free offer, whether it's a download, a free video course, access to a webinar, something like that. These are all lead magnets. You can offer free access as well. Maybe you have some kind of buyer's club, or maybe you have special inventory that comes in. You say, hey, get on my email list and you'll get a notification for special items we have for sale that aren't listed on the website or aren't even on the shelves in our store. People love to get insider information, be part of a club, and that's a great way to get people on your email list as well. These are all lead magnets with the express mission of getting people on your email list. Now, you still may be saying, well, what's the point? Do I really need it? Let me show you. This is a typical funnel, okay? This represents your audience. Now, at any given time, you might have people that are slightly interested in what you have to offer. Maybe they saw one of your ads, maybe they went to your website, they have a need for it, and they're kind of interested, but they're not really ready to do anything yet. Then you have your people that are actively researching, right? They think they need it. Now they're starting to look at pricing, they're starting to look at features, things like that. They're starting to put together their research before they buy this particular product or service. Then we get ready to buy. Ready to buy usually means I know what I want, I know how much I want to pay, now I need to find the right company or the right business to make my purchase. And here they're doing competitive comparisons, competitive shopping, looking at different vendors, okay? If the only thing you have is an offer and you have no lead magnet, the only audience that you're going to be able to market to is the bottom here, okay? The people that are ready to buy right now, because they're ready. You know, they're probably going to make a purchase in the next couple days or even next couple weeks, but they're getting ready to make their purchase, so you can present them with your offer. But as you can see from this funnel, your people that are researching, people that are interested represent a much bigger segment of your potential audience. And without a lead magnet, you cannot market to these people, okay? Because if you try to market an offer to these people, they're not at the buying stage yet. So they're not going to take you up on your offer, probably no matter how enticing it is, because they're not ready yet, okay? So if you don't have a lead magnet in place and you don't have a way to get them on your email list or keep their attention and be able to reach them later on, they are gone for good. And the only thing you can do is hope at some point when they get to the ready stage, you're able to reach them again, probably through a paid advertisement or something like that, or they're going to reach out to you and want to do business with you. But chances of that are pretty slim. So introducing a lead magnet into your overall marketing plan allows you to capture a huge potential audience, potential customers that are interested, but they're not ready to buy yet, okay? And we're gonna get into kind of marketing funnels, and we're gonna get into email marketing a little bit later on in the course. But just so you know the importance of a lead magnet, this is why we do it. Most businesses only have offers, they don't do lead magnets, and potentially everyone has to fight over this very small segment of people that are ready to buy, and it can get very expensive and very competitive. Why not come up a little bit higher on the funnel and start marketing to these people, get them on your email list, so as they make their way down the funnel, you're building a relationship with them along the whole way, and you got a much higher chance of converting them into a customer than your competitors.